Navigating the roads. Understanding merge lane. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on the English language. We're going to tackle a phrase that's very common for anyone who's ever been on a road: merge lane. Whether you're a driver, a passenger, or just someone interested in language, understanding this term is quite useful. So, let's dive in and demystify it together. When we talk about a merge lane, we're referring to a specific part of the road. It's a lane that allows vehicles to join onto another road, highway, or lane. The key action here is to merge, which means to combine or join together. In driving, this means that cars from different lanes come together into one lane, doing so smoothly and without stopping the flow of traffic. Merge lanes are crucial for maintaining the flow of traffic and for safety on the roads. They are designed to give drivers enough space to adjust their speed and find a safe gap in the traffic. Without merge lanes, vehicles would have to stop and wait for a clear space, which could lead to traffic jams or even accidents. Using a merge lane correctly involves a few important steps. 1. Signal. Always indicate your intention to merge by using your turn signal. 2. Speed. Adjust your speed to match the flow of the traffic on the road you are merging into. 3. Look. Use your mirrors and check your blind spots to ensure it's safe to merge. 4. Merge. When it's safe, smoothly move into the traffic, aiming to minimize disruption. When merging, there are some common mistakes that drivers should avoid. Don't merge too quickly or too slowly. This can cause other drivers to brake suddenly. Don't wait until the last second. This can lead to sudden lane changes, which are dangerous. Don't stop in the merge lane. Unless traffic is completely stopped, you should keep moving. I hope this explainer has shed some light on what a merge lane is and how to use it. Remember, merging smoothly and safely is all about timing and awareness. Drive safely, and see you in the next lesson where we'll cover more interesting English phrases related to everyday life.